Now, new documents deepen confusion over the Prime Minister Cares after claiming the Prime Minister Cares is private. Now the government is saying it's a public. In a new RTI reply, the government says that the Prime Minister Cares is established by the Government of India. Just 10 days back, the government had claimed that the Prime Minister Cares is a private entity. To get more details on this, we have Arvind joining us. Arvind, what does this new document reveal, and any clarity on whether PM Cares is government owned or whether it is privately owned?
With the new set of documents coming to the fore every other day, the confusion over whether PM Cares Fund is a government trust or a private trust deepens. In fact, this confusion is mainly because of the contradicting facts stated in those public documents. To put it in context, PM Cares Fund was registered as a trust with Prime Minister Narendra Modi as a chairperson on March 27. So that particular trust deed, which was made public recently, that clearly states that PM Cares Fund is not directly or indirectly owned or controlled by the government in as many words. So making it clear that Prime Minister Cares Fund is a private entity according to the trust deed. On March 28, the very next day, the Ministry of Corporate Affairs had defined PM Cares Fund as a public entity, as a trust set up by the central government, thereby allowing CSR donations for this particular trust. So on the very next day, the Ministry of Corporate Affairs had defined the same trust as a public entity, as a trust set up by the central government. So for 2 months, PM Cares Fund, despite being a private entity, according to the trust deed, was receiving CSR donations from corporates. So when the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, when they found the difference between the trust deed and also their definition, after 2 months, they retrospectively amended the Companies Act. So this happened in May. So in the meantime, several RT applications were filed with the Prime Minister Office asking for the details of the PM Cares Fund. One such application was also filed by the NDTV asking for the trust deed. At that point of time, PMO rejected all the RT applications, stating that PM Cares is not a public authority, so thereby they cannot divulge any information regarding the PM Cares Fund. So even our RT application was rejected. So recently, PMO, they themselves have made this trust deed of PM Cares Fund public. So that particular PM Cares trust deed says it's a private entity, not directly or indirectly owned by the government. So coming fast forwarding it, so many RT applications were filed. One such RT application was filed by RT activist Lokesh Badra with the Income Tax Department asking for the details regarding the exemption given to the PM Cares Fund under the Income Tax Act. So this particular RT application was filed by Lokesh Badra in August, and that particular RT application was again rejected, stating that PM Cares Fund is not a private entity. He filed an first appeal with the Appellate Authority under the RT Act. Very interestingly, the RTA Appellate Authority of the Income Tax Department, very interestingly, they have defined it completely in a different way. They are saying that PM Cares Fund is a central government entity. It has been set up by the central government entity. They are admitting that PM Cares Fund is owned and controlled by the central government. But what they are defining, how they are interpreting is that because PM Cares Fund is managed by private persons like Prime Minister, and also funds are being received from private entities, that's why under RTA Act they cannot divulge any information regarding the PM Cares Fund. So the Appellate Authority under the RTA Act of the Income Tax Department, they are admitting that PM Cares Fund is a public authority, is controlled by the central government, but because the private money is involved, they cannot divulge any information under RTA Act.
Right. Thank you, Arvind, for bringing us all those details.